All right, welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys a little tip for syncing multicam clips and just working with camera footage in general. If we click on these two clips and look down here in the metadata, you can see we get our file name, the duration, pixel dimensions, the other stuff from the camera manufacturer itself, camera ID, frame rate, shutter angle. You don't actually get a camera number. Now, if we have these down in our media pool, and as I showed you previously, if we were to highlight them and make a multicam clip, I'll show you the multicam clip here. It just gets angle 1 and angle 2. You don't actually have camera numbers. So let's go back to here and we'll go to our main cut page. And if we go into the original clips and highlight and open the sync clips bin, you can see you get these camera numbers, just arbitrary names. If we want to make these more organized, back in the media bin, there's two ways you can do this. You can click on a file, and underneath file over here in your inspector tab, click file, and then you have camera right here. Camera A, I'll name it camera A. We'll go to camera B. We'll name this B. Another way you can do this is down here in the media pool. You can right click down here on your column layout and choose camera number. And right now it has the same number that we changed over here, but that's another way you can get to it, and you can pull this over to where you can see it. And then if we go back to our sync bin and we go to sync these two cameras, we now have camera A and camera B. Instead of just the arbitrary file names, you can actually name them cameras 1 through whatever, especially since the speed editor has 9 tabs available. It'll keep it a little less confusing instead of just having a random camera number. All right, I hope that tip helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.